arrived.
Yeah, Grom.
Well, player.
You?
I think my actual guess is that it's going to be smaller than expected and like sick, like shoulder head high.
That's what I want.
And then like smaller later and sick, but way smaller.
Easy barrels, don't have to work for it. Brian and I scored like a few years ago, Jersey, where there was like no current, but I think there's gonna be like a ton of current today. I'm just hoping for like a lot of barrels and really good waves. All right guys, we just checked it. It's pretty big. I'm doing my best not to vlog because it takes so long to edit. So I'm just gonna take the GoPro out and get a ton of barrels right now. You need a pintail on that.
It's just way too much volume for me to like control the board.
Yeah. It's so steep right here too.
And it's like, look, there's no rocker at all.
As you saw today, we surfed like 6 hours plus in the water. I'm like so drained, but it was worth it. Super gnarly. Like didn't complete the mission, but we got some we had a good time. It was really fun hanging with Buffet, just rolling around and, you know, enjoying the day, but super hard. We got absolutely worked, but we tried the entire day and we gave it our all. You?
I don't know where or what angle this camera is from. What am I looking at? What is this? Just right off the convention